Hello, I'm Clancy Rose from Cafe Medici in Austin, Texas, and I'm here with Expert Village today, and what we're going to be making is a double espresso con panna. Go over what you need to make the espresso con panna. I like to have about 3 or 4 clean, dry kitchen towels on hand. And you're going to need your espresso beans, your espresso grinder, whichever variation of espresso grinder that you have, your home espresso machine, and shot glasses to brew your shots into, espresso tamper. I like to keep a timer on hand just to kind of keep time on my espresso shots. Your demi-tasse cups, 3 ounces for assembling your drink in. And then the only other thing you need is your whipped cream.
Okay. Beans. You love them.
Cool.
And hold on just 1 second. And action.
So now we're going to be talking about the espresso beans that are going to go into your espresso shots for your con panna. One of the most common misconceptions about espresso roast is that coffee is roasted darker for espresso, which isn't necessarily true at all. You can use whatever coffee you want to brew as espresso. What makes espresso espresso is the process, the steps that you go through to make the espresso and the extraction process, and that the ratio of coffee to water is a lot higher than a normal cup of coffee. You have a lot more coffee for a smaller amount of water rather than a normal cup of coffee. So for a double con panna, you're just going to basically want a coffee that you're comfortable with, that you like the flavors, and yeah, you can use whatever coffee you want for your espresso shots.